Employment spillover effects of ICT in the non-ICT industries, evidence from South Africa. By Mapula Hilda Lefofane. The study aims to analyze the employment spillover effects of ICT in the non-ICT industries. For the empirical analysis, the pooled mean group (PMG) model was used to account for the short and long-run effects of ICT investment on the employment growth of agro-processing industries, that is non-ICT industries. The analyses were conducted in a multivariate setting to establish whether labor productivity and output growth effects of ICT investment would spill over to employment growth in those agro-processing industries that invested in ICT more intensively. The findings showed that the labor productivity and output growth effects of ICT investment would be realized in the long run, and such effects would spill over to employment growth of the industry group that invested more in ICT. Two implications can be derived from these findings. First, the effects of ICT on employment growth differ according to the intensity of ICT investment, such that employment spillover effects of ICT would be realized by the agro-processing industries that invested in ICT more intensively. Second, such effects would be realized in the long run, suggesting that it would take longer for the returns on ICT investment to be realized. Therefore, policymakers should prioritize the agro-processing industries that are more ICT intensive for ICT-related investments. Such investments should be undertaken over the long term, as the returns on ICT investment take time to materialize. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.